Alright guys, we're out here working on the trailer, and my youngest, he's 10, is now on the job site working. Now one of the things is today is the 23rd of December, and I want to show y'all this here, that the two kids decided that they took their AliExpress money. Now you guys, I want y'all to look, y'all watch my videos. You see that toolbox there, or that box full of tools? These two kids, they saved up their money from their AliExpress link thing. So you see on some of my videos down here at the bottom, look down there, it'll have an AliExpress link. This is how they've saved up at 1% or so commissions when you buy things, people who go and get things, to buy their brother this thing.
So we bought Dominic a Ryobi 18-volt 4-piece kit.
Guess you didn't know you got a kit, did you?
Nope.
So Daniel's going to explain to you what the Ryobi kit's got in it.
So this kit includes the tool bag.
This ain't what I bought, 10-year-old. This is what they bought. Brother and sister earning their money.
Okay, so you got your instructions here. It comes with 2 Sawzall blades, one 5.5-inch circular saw blade. One of these Sawzall blades metal, one of them is wood. It comes with the IntelliPort charger.
Now this is something you can get. I'll also put a link on the bottom of the page for that, where this came
batteries.
from, below the video. And this comes with 2 batteries. This is an 18-volt lithium, I believe.
Yes, lithium.
Lithium.
Lithium plus.
Lithium plus. So it's instead of a stack cell, it's got the vertical cells in it. And they're supposed to run with a lot more torque that way. That's just I'm reading the spec stuff.
Now, this is part of Ryobi's One Plus system. It will work on any Ryobi One Plus tool, NiCad or not. This is what is good about Ryobi is because you got their own NiCad tools. You just buy the new batteries and they clip right in. But we don't have any Ryobi NiCad tools to clip them in.
So it's the first Ryobis we have in the shop.
Yeah.
He's going to get a brand new set of Ryobi tools. It's a full, what is it, 4-piece?
Yes.
4-piece. Let me show the box over here. 4-piece. So it has the Sawzall, the small light, the drill driver, and the saw. So don't worry about it. This kid is in here right now using that saw. He's well trained in it, and he's using that Sawzall and that impact.
It comes with this Sawzall. Well, for some of you people who call them reciprocating saws. But it has the diagonal, which means you won't get that much vibration going in your hands.
So the motor is at an angle.
Yes, see?
Perfect. Basically that equal to a Milwaukee M18. Snaps in easy. It's got a lockout.
This is kind of like a circular saw. You got to press that in. And these batteries haven't been charged, so.
Just opened it. All right, very good. What's the weight of that?
This weighs.
Compare that to a Black & Decker 20. What do you think?
I would say it's a little bit heavier, but that's because I think it gets a little bit more power. It weighs 4.2 pounds, so about 4 pounds. Comes with this cool light. I believe it's 400 something lumens.
400 lumens. Now compare that to my my Porter cable light, which is 260. That's probably a lot nicer.
It has the adjustable head.
I do like that.
And let's see. Work light. And it don't say.
What'd you find on the website?
Something.
And this light here is supposed to have 6 hours on a battery.
Yeah.
All right, let's see this drill.
Okay. got this drill. It's about the size of one of those port cables. Kira, can you go grab a support cable?
Yeah, go get one of them up in the back tool room.
But unlike the Black & Deckers, where when you get them to 1 speed, you got 2 speeds.
That's nice. That 2-speed really helps when you're using some low torque in them.
You got 24
torque settings on the clutch?
Yeah, 24 torque settings on the clutch. Plastic chuck, but it'll do. And it weighs
Dominic, what do you think about your tool set?
It's amazing.
It's amazing. 10-year-old, $250 tool set, but now they got them for about $150, so the kids could get it.
This weighs 3.1 pounds, so about 3 pounds.
About 3 pounds.
And it got see, it's about the same size as a porta cable. But this has a cool feature on it. It has a level on the back.
That's kind of nice. My porta cable don't have that.
Also, look at this.
So it's your flanges mount up. Oh, it's got a magnetic holder based in its handle.
Not very strong, but
It didn't let go of it, did it?
it got this nice grip.
It was
It's all
kind of
rubber, and it's rubbered like the Milwaukee's.
A little more soft rubber, like a Milwaukee does. Some of the Makitas. Okay.
Yeah. Okay, now next we have circular stuff. And
All
don't
right.
have it like the Black & Deckers have it with the measurements on this. It's clear, but
Well, that clear though, that helps a little bit so you can see your blade in there.
I would like to show this.
Yep, it's got your space adjustment so you can draw a line on a different mark right here
It got it here
and
too.
follow that line if you can see it easier. Then of course you got your degrees. And this one here exceeds 45 degrees. That's really nice. Most all of them, like this little Black & Decker in here, and even my Porter cables, they only go to 45 degrees, and you can push them past to about
Now
47.
this one it is kind of weird because the battery comes in at the side.
It's because that's supposed to have 22 watts more motor power than the ones that we got. That's the reason we got it for him. And it looks like it'd even be more balanced, don't it?
And if you had a 4 amp hour, it would just be flush with the motor.
Nice. So Daniel's about to turn 12, a couple of days. He don't look a day over 60.
And that's it. Comes with this nice bag.
Dominic's favorite color, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Kind of a light green, huh?
Yeah, it's still.
Kind of a puke green.
Ah, puke green. Well, you ain't gonna lose it, are you?
No.
That thing will show up in the distance. All right, so what do you think?
This is like.
Is it too big for you?
Nope. I've used those kind before.
He's used the Porter cables and he feels comfortable with them. He's progressed from his original drill, which is that size right there, to this new drill, which is that size.
And I
And
also have to say about these Ryobis is with these rubber guarding, they could probably stand a drop. I'm not going to drop it right now because I don't want to break them. But
well, what do you think, Dominic?
This is the best Christmas gift ever.
Well, who do you think?
Thanks, Kira. Thanks, Daniel.
So you look at that, Ryobi tools. That's what they got. So like I said in the beginning of the video, these guys depend on you guys going and looking what they do. It's a marketing thing, and down below the video, it's their program because they're allowed to do it as part of their vocational program with their homeschooling. So if y'all want to look at this, I'll put a link down where he got it at or where the kids got it at, and there you go. Buy your kids tools. Teach them how to use them. Teach them to be safe with them, and make sure the rest of the kids in the family do the same. All right, you guys be good. We're still working on this trailer. We've got it all sewed down. It's being cleaned up, and we're right now working inside the wheel well. But y'all look forward to it. We're going to have another video coming soon on this. This is just a Christmas video release, and it'll probably be 2 or 3 days after Christmas. We'll have more videos coming on the Holiday Rambler salvage into a cargo trailer for all my tools and equipment that needs to go in there. So you guys be watching. It's on the way. There's one of your builders.